Hey everybody, this is going to be a really fun video, right? I'm here with Bertina and I'm going to be speaking her indigenous language Triqui today. She has 10 words ready for me. I have not seen them. I don't know much about Triqui. All I know is that there is no official writing system, and the way that she's writing the words today, she's using Spanish phonology. There is no official writing system. So you have to keep that in mind while I'm pronouncing or attempting to pronounce these words. She's writing them the best way that she can. It does not necessarily mean that other Trickies would technically understand what she's writing. So we'll see how this goes. You're going to see the words on the screen at the same time that I actually see them. So are you ready?
Yes.
You think I'm gonna do pretty good?
Maybe. I don't know.
All right, I think I'm gonna do great. All right, so show me the first word.
Okay.
All right. Oh, all right. Number one. Dintawasa. Dintawasa.
Mm-hmm.
You say it.
Din Tawaza.
Dintawasa.
Uh-huh.
All right. That was a pretty good one. Dintawasa is like going up.
Uh-huh.
Dintawasa.
Din Tawaza.
And what does that mean?
Cállate.
Cállate. Okay. Dintawasa. Wushtu wia. Dintawasa.
Okay, what is cállate in English?
Shut up.
Uh-huh.
You
Shut
didn't
up.
know that?
No, I didn't know.
You say it to me all the time. All right. So 1 out of 1, I did pretty good. Let's go to number 2. Go ahead and next one. All right. Oh. Ni era masma. Ni era masma. How was that? Horrible.
45%.
Damn. Let me try it one more time.
Okay.
Ni era masma.
Okay, 60%.
Okay, just say it.
Ni era más ma.
Ni era masma.
Ajá. Ni era más ma.
Ni era masma.
Mhm.
I didn't do pretty good.
No. Okay.
What does that mean?
I don't love you.
Okay, I won't need to say that anyway. Number 3. Oh, I know this one. I've heard this or I've seen it. Aquí bebasa. Aquí bebasa. Aquí bebasa.
Close. Aquí bebaza.
Aquí bebasa. Good?
Mhm.
Did I say it perfectly?
Mhm.
Did I sound like if you didn't see me, would you think I was native?
No. Okay, again.
Come on, be serious.
Say it again.
Aquí bebasa.
Aquí bebaza.
Aquí bebasa. What does that mean?
You're pretty.
Oh,
But you're handsome.
okay.
Aquí bebaza.
Aquí bebasa. Aquí bebasa. Ah, dang. All right, number 4. Urshkecha.
One more time.
What is that? Is that RQUES?
Mhm.
Oh. Urshkecha.
Oh, wow. Shkescha.
One more time.
Shkescha. Dame de comer. Give me food.
Give me food. Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. Shkescha. Shkescha. Was that good?
Yeah.
Shkescha.
I think this is a good way to learn the intonation.
Saying that at the same time.
Sí.
1, 2, 3. Shkescha.
Mhm.
Shkescha. If you didn't see me, would you think I was a native? Listen, close your eyes. Shkescha.
Uh-huh.
All right. Number 5. Reanushkea.
That is an N.
Where? Oh. Ah. Neanskea. 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 Neanskea.
Okay.
Ushtuya neanskea. You say it.
Naarkea.
Oh.
Naarkea.
Naanskea. Naanskea. Así, ¿no?
Naarkea.
Naanskea.
Eso. Good.
What does that mean?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Naarkea.
Naanskea. Naanskea. Say it with me. 3, 2, 1.
Naarkea. Naarkea.
Ah. Naanskea. 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 Okay. Number 6. I know this one. Ko'onara.
Sí.
Was that good?
Super duper close.
Say it with me. 3, 2, 1.
Ko'onara.
I said it. Ko'onara.
It's down. Ko'onara.
Ko'onara. Excellent. Ko'onara. What does that mean? That's like give me something to drink, right?
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty. I knew that because I've heard her say that before. And I think maybe a couple years ago she called me Ko'onatia. And that means like give me a soda or a dame a refresco, no?
Give me soda.
Number 7. Urshu ni yamaza.
Wow.
Was that
Pretty
good?
close. Yeah.
That's awesome. Urshu ni yamaza. Why did you laugh like that? Was that good? Or was that like I don't know, doubting me? My abilities?
Yeah.
You
That's
say
good.
say it.
Ushu ni yamaza.
Urshu ni yamaza. Urshu ni yamaza. So you're saying Urshu going up. Urshu ni yamaza. Urshu ni yamaza. Say that at home. Urshu ni yamaza. Say it one more time.
Ushu ni yamaza.
Okay, there's like a literal stop. Urshu ni yamaza. What does that mean? That means I hate you.
Yeah, I don't like you.
I knew it because I've heard her say that before. Number 8. Got 3 more here. Aki nyambaza.
Oh, good.
Seriously?
Otra vez, say it again.
Aki nyambaza. Good? Say it with me. 3, 2, 1. Aki nyambaza. Is it like basa or basa?
Basa.
Aki nyambaza. What can I improve? Aki.
No. Aki.
Oh, okay. It doesn't go up.
No.
That was wrong. You didn't tell me. That was wrong. Aki nyambaza.
Aki nyambaza.
Aki nyambaza. Or let me try a lower pitch, because when you're trying to maybe repeat after somebody, you're changing the tone of your voice to theirs, and that sounds all funky. Let me try to say it in my natural voice. Hello. Aki nyambaza. Was that just horrible?
No, it was Aki nyambaza. Good.
Aki nyambaza. It's like when I'm hearing you, I'm trying to match your tone. You know what I'm saying? Say it.
Yeah.
Listen.
Aki nyambaza.
Aki nyambaza. So it made me sound like a little boy or something. I think I did pretty good.
Yeah.
And what does that mean?
It means you're cute.
Didn't you say that?
No, we say you're beautiful.
Okay.
You're handsome.
But basically the same significance a little bit, right?
Cute is when something or somebody is like super pretty, but cute like a baby. Not like a baby, but in a innocent way. Like, cutie.
Number 9. We have 2 more here. What does that say right there? Nigmi?
It's Niami.
Unyamish nanuma. Ay! Un nyam. Is that together? Okay. Un nyam mishnanuma. Was that it? It's hard to read, guys. I'm gonna show you this paper after we finish here.
No.
Un nyam mishnanuma. You say it. One more time. Un nyam mishnanuma.
That's good.
Shnanuma. Un nyam mishnanuma. Un nyam mishnanuma.
Good.
Un nyam mishnanuma. Un nyam mishnanuma. What does that mean?
I don't speak Triqui.
Un nyam mishnanuma. One more time. Un nyam mishnanuma. Like that, right?
No, like
If
that.
I walk through a tricky market, I just say, Un nyam mishnanuma. Will they understand?
Yeah, like, okay, he's speaking Triqui.
We didn't ask. We don't give a shit.
We hear his
Un nyam mishnanuma. All right, number 10. We are here at the last word. Do you think I'm going to get it? I hope you're trying these at home too because, well, Triqui's a pretty cool, interesting language. At the end here, I'm going to have her speak something for you guys real quick. Okay, number 10. Anikozoma. Anikozoma.
Anikozoma.
I was close. Anikozoma.
Anikozoma.
Anikozoma. It's like a Z. Anikozoma. What does that mean?
Follow me.
Anikozoma.
Anikozoma. Subscribe.
Say it with me, 3, 2, 1. Anikozoma. Oh, that one's hard. Anikozoma. Anikozoma. All right. So, what do you think? Do you think I did pretty good? I think I did okay. But here, before we end this video, I just want her just introduce yourself, say where you're from, and say how you felt teaching me Triqui. Speaking Triqui, go.
Me Martina Javi Macane.
All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe we'll make something again in the future if I get more than 10 views. Thank you, guys.
Follow us.
Anikozoma. Oh yeah, if you want to learn more Triqui, I'll put the link in the description. You can find her YouTube channel. So thank you very much, guys. All right, so here's the paper I was actually reading from during this video. So as you can see, it's kind of hard to understand. That's why I had a few errors in there. Typically, if the writing is good, my pronunciation would be on point. All right, thanks. See you guys. Oh no, there goes the... Where did that paper go? Oh, there it is. What do you have to say, Shane?